magluto naman tayo ng hotdog with ketchup and onion. Okay, slice lang natin yung ating hotdog. Cheese dog yung gamit ko. Then, next naman natin yung ating onion. Yan, hiwain lang natin ng pabilog. At syempre, ito yung ating banana ketchup. Ayan, maglagay na tayo ng cooking oil sa ating kawali. Una natin gawin, gisa muna natin ng saglit yung ating onion. Okay, set aside muna natin. So, ayan, next naman natin yung ating hotdog. Iprito lang natin.
A few moments later.
Okay na yan. Pwede na nating ilagay yung ating banana ketchup. So, ayan, lagay na rin natin yung ating onion. Yes, luto na yung ating hotdog with ketchup and onion. Ito na ang ating hotdog with ketchup and onion. Kainan na!